Start with your mindset first. In the top box, I want you to capture your thoughts. What are you saying about yourself and what you are facing? What are you saying about your new team and the organization? What questions are you asking? Write down what's going through your mind. It could be anything, don't filter your thoughts. Write down all your thoughts, good, bad, and everything in between. When you are done, grab a highlighter and highlight the words that are unhelpful. By that, I mean those that are holding you back. They could be limiting beliefs, assumptions, or things you say with a tone of doubt in your head. When you're done highlighting, move to the middle box. I want you to take your highlighted unhelpful thoughts and reframe them by building them into a question. The right-hand middle box has some examples to help you. Now that you have reframed your unhelpful thoughts, it's time to answer your questions. Don't limit yourself or judge your answers. Allow your thoughts to flow, and answer the questions as many times as you can. Once you've done this, capture your most helpful answers in the bottom box, those that could move you forward. Don't expect to be perfect, it takes practice. To help you, watch the video How to Make Your Self-Talk Work for You in the new Manager Playbook. Once you have practiced this a few times and feel more comfortable, try helping your team to reframe their unhelpful thoughts.